Between thunderstorms, tornadoes. All right, so as we look at radar, and it looks like the National Weather Service just now issued a tornado warning for the Tulsa area. So if you're in the Tulsa area, please take your tornado precautions now. Hail, sleet, snow, and freezing rain. Hi, I'm Emmanuel Mason from Emmanuel Mason Weather. With Emmanuel Mason Weather, you'll be updated regarding the latest weather updates and wild Oklahoma weather. Thank you. Enjoy this live stream. Okay, can you guys hear me? Yeah, except I can't. There we go. Nope, never mind, it didn't work. Okay, that is weird. Technical difficulties here. I'm trying to figure out why my camera. Can you guys see me and hear me? I don't think you guys can see me. Hold on, guys. 1 second. Oh, well, that's why. Sorry. I hope that worked. Did it work? Why isn't this? Oh, there we go. There we go. Sorry, it's been a little while since we've done this. I'm on my phone here looking, so sorry. Forgive me if you hear, the same thing kind of lagging, or, a little bit of a, just looking at my live here. So it's been a while. I'm here to talk about something exciting. So here we go. We got a lot to talk about, but I'll try to make this brief and quick. All right, so first things first, let's go to here, sharing my full screen, bada bing, bada boom, awesome saucy. Okay, so here we go. So first, let's start with Mesonet here, and then let's forget about that and go to this. So again, this is my website, emweather.com. Be sure to go to that website. In fact, let me do this for you guys. Do it this way, and then let me do it this way. Captions. It should be on the bottom. Oh, I forgot to turn that back on. It should be on the bottom of your screen there. My website on there, and it should be in the comment section. In fact, let me do it this way. There we go. So be sure to go to my website at emweather.com. All right, it is on my website on what I'm about to show you here. So let's go back to here and then back to here. Perfect. All right, so here we go. So this is on my website. So if you click on weather data and current weather conditions, so if you do this, then right now in the Tulsa area, it is 44 degrees. Okay, so it's still pretty chilly out there as we speak, and it will continue to drop as we go into the overnight hours. And that is weird. Again, I don't know why it did that. So let's go to here and then here. Why does it keep popping off? There we go. Turn that back on. All right, so let me go back to here. Okay, so 44 degrees. All right, but that will change as we go into the overnight hours. Now I'm going to show you guys Mesonet. Okay, so first let's start with this. So let's go to forecast and then local regional. All right, so as we scroll down, this is Tulsa's National Weather Service office deal. All righty. Hopefully you guys can see that good enough. Looking at my phone here. Of course, there's a little bit of a lag or delay. Okay, you guys should be able to see that. Okay. All right, so as you can see, the Tulsa area does have a decent chance of seeing some snow. Woo, let's go. All right, but it's limited. All right, snow accumulation threat is limited. Ice accumulation threat is none, and wind chill threat, none. Okay, so just limited on snow. Now, I-40 to the north. Mainly snow is expected Friday morning across northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. All the rain is expected. I forgot to turn this on. I don't know if I have this. Yes, I do. Perfect. Completely here. I'm about to show you guys. Drag this down here. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then do this. Okay, so all rain is expected for across far northeastern Oklahoma. Okay, far northeastern Oklahoma. Okay. Or excuse me, not north, across far southeastern Oklahoma with a mix in between. Okay. So that is a look at that. Alrighty. And then we got just rain, McAllister down to the south towards Texas. Alrighty. Storm system will bring increasing chances for precipitation across the region during the day Friday. Including the chance of snow. Accumulating snow will mainly be for northeast Oklahoma eastward through northwest Arkansas, with totals ranging from a dusting to perhaps up to 2 inches for some locations in northeast Oklahoma near the Kansas border and the higher elevations of northwest Arkansas. Near to above freezing, surface temperatures will lead to melting of snow after melting, or after melting of snow after falling. And I'll break that down for you guys here momentarily. Winter weather advisory is in effect for just about due north of Tulsa. Barnesville is included. Fox City looks to be included, and northwestern Arkansas looks to be included in that also. Okay, here comes kind of sort of a fun moment here. We're getting into the fun stuff. Excuse me by yawning. Okay, so winter weather. Here we go. So this is my first time showing you guys this ever, probably. Winter storm impacts. Now, this is for day 1, which is tomorrow. Okay, so basically, winter weather area. Okay, see this blue right here? Tulsa is, if I zoom in for you guys, let me see. Zoom in for you guys. Tulsa is included in that, but Oklahoma City is not. It does include far northwestern and northern Oklahoma, especially southern and central Kansas, of seeing the a little bit of impacts. All right, let's go back again. Now here comes the fun stuff. All right, excuse me again, sorry. All right, so here is the model breakdown for you guys. So precipitation type, this just came out this hour. So as I play this forward, as we go into the overnight hours, rain still moves on in, comes central Oklahoma, and races on Oklahoma. And then remember, Tulsa's right here. So it so happens to quickly transition to boom, snow. Moderate at times to heavy at times. This will be probably about 4 to 5 in the morning. Okay. Now, see this pink? There will be, I believe, some freezing rain included in it. Okay. Still a little bit more freezing rain. Freezing rain still mixed in and it moves out. But then we might get a little bit of sprinkles of light rain in the Tulsa area after that round. All right. Now here comes the warfare. Excuse me. Okay, so as we play this forward, this particular model shows 3.5, close to 3.5 inches of snow for the Tulsa area. Okay, 3.5 around there. Let's look at the Crushero. That's another word for you guys to learn. Crushero, about 2.5. Okay, for the Tulsa area. Now let's look at the her models here to show you guys an idea of what to possibly expect on snow amounts. Again, it's going to be different, but there's going to be a little bit of a difference, not a significant of a difference. But this particular model is showing 3 inches of snow, 22Z, 2.5 inches of snow, 21Z, 3.5, 20Z, we got 3.5 almost, 19Z, 3.5, and then 18Z, we've got almost 3 inches of snow. So you kind of got the pattern. It's going up, down each hour we go. But it's between 2.5 to 3.5 or 2 to 3. Okay. So just keep that in mind. And this new one, again, I showed you is 3.5. So it's still going up there. Okay. So still up there. We still got 2.5 to 3. So that is mixed in to there. All right. So let's like the rapid refresh to see. And then I didn't see this one yet. This is new. So precipitation type, as you can see, as we move in, look at that moderate to heavy snow at times, starting 4 to 5 in the morning for the Tulsa area. Heavy snowman still continues. Looks like freezing rain takes over a little bit, and then snow still mixes in and flurries, and then just wraps around with a little bit more showers uh, left over in the atmosphere. All right, so let's go look at the total snow accumulation, shall we? So this one, it's up to 4 inches. My. So this one went up a little bit more with the rapid refresh. So again, it all depends on how. So guys, I was going to bring this up a little bit more like maybe next minute or two, but I might as well bring it now. So you guys hear me say this word every winter weather. Wet bulb, okay? Wet bulb. That is where soil temperatures, or that means soil temperatures, okay? Ground temperatures. So basically, I hate when this happens. It's Oklahoma weather. I hate when we get this type of weather. It looks like we are kind of this time. But basically, when snow comes, hits the ground, it'll melt. That's what's basically going to happen. But again, what I'm concerned about is how heavy and fast the snow will fall. Okay, so basically what I'm saying is it could melt as soon as it falls to the ground, but it depends again how heavy it goes, and that's when it'll start building up, and maybe measurable to be measurable. Okay, but grasses, I do think grasses will for sure get some punched in with the snow, but it probably won't be as bad. But I do think that there will be some type of snowing activity in the Tulsa area tomorrow. Is what I'm saying. Okay, I don't get the hype up like that, but okay. So the Kershare is showing about 2.5, 3 inches. Okay, so let's look at that. Now let's look at the NAM model here, and this is just coming out this hour, so it's going to be quite interesting to see. Okay. So it looks like, that ain't good. Wow. It just skips. Gosh dang, that's crazy how it just, see that? It just skipped over. That is sad. Wow. That's sad. That's just sad. I don't think the NAM model is like in this system. It said, nope, and we're downgrading the hype. We're downgrading the live streams and everything. I'm just kidding. But that's just sad. Oh. Well, guys, sorry you guys are seeing the same thing I'm seeing. New to both of us, and that's just, the NAM just smacked everything in the face. Got in a fight, say I won. It looks like NAM. Wow, that is so sad. What is the Kershare saying? Yeah. Well, I'm just ignoring that because that's the first time it says that. So poor NAM. It's slow right now. Poor NAM. I don't like that. At all. That's the first model that said just none. So, well, since this event, I think. So we'll see. But that's just, sorry, NAM, but you're stupid. That's just sad. It was a smack in the face, and that was not a good smack. But we'll keep everything else good. We'll keep her model. We'll keep the rapid refresh and the hype up back out. So, NAM, I don't like you right now. All right, so let's look at that, okay? So here is what brings me to, and this is new, okay? This is new. Look at this. You're like, what? What is this? Okay, this I edited this from Adobe Illustrator, right? Illustrator. Photoshop. I even said Illustrator on Instagram. Whoops. It's Photoshop, okay? So I edited this through Photoshop, and it's winter weather threats, okay? Snow, I've got slight, okay, because of that moderate to heavy snow at times. I'm not going to go moderate on that. If it was a blizzard conditions, then I'll put high on that. But here, let me zoom in on that a little bit more because on the phone here, I don't know if I can I? How do you zoom in? Oh, there we go. Zoom in. I can't zoom in more. Okay, well, okay, so got slight for snow. Freezing rain, again, what I showed you guys is an extent ice. I don't expect any ice. Well, yeah, any ice. Wind, not too much of a threat with this. And my forecast confidence with this particular system is low, okay? So there you have that. All right, now here comes the more fun parts. My snow map, official forecast for this system, 1 to 3 inches. for the Tulsa area. 0 to 2 inches, southeastern Oklahoma. I do think that might change a bit. I didn't tell Instagram this earlier, but I was thinking about just go ahead and putting all just half eastern Oklahoma up to just like cut in half, all 1 to 3 inches. But I went ahead and put 0 to 2. But I might go back to the idea of putting 1 to 3 also, but I'm going to keep it like that just in case. 0 to 2 inches. I do think prediction wise, 1 to 3 inches, Tulsa area up to the north of I-40. Okay, of that. All right. So that is a look at that. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream here. Let me here. Stop sharing that. Okay. So hopefully you guys got an idea of what to expect tomorrow. And I will pop most Sunday's gonna be busy. Let's see. I'll go live again tomorrow, Saturday night. I'll go live again Saturday night for another winter weather storm that we could potentially have. But that'll be Saturday night. That might give you guys a day or two to get prepared for this next one. Alrighty. So hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. And I hope you guys be safe, be careful, and have a good rest of your night. Thank you. Have a good night.